Alright guys, we're out here in Sanford today. I'll show you guys a little bit about what we got going on today at a residential house in Sylvan Lakes Preserve. So we got Jeremy over here. Jeremy, say hello to the people.
Hello folks.
Hello. So we get the pool deck here cleaned up. See, we got some mold and algae, the usual build up, the humidity and whatnot in Florida. So we can get this guy a little bit under there. So I got some furniture moved around. We've got the pavers out here. Gonna get these cleaned up. A little more of the pavers. We got decent sized driveway here, also due for some cleaning. And some more driveway. Some sidewalks, little front porch area. Shout out to Jilly, helped me work at Dodge yesterday, working for the weekend, always helping out. So that's about it. We'll check in with you guys later, show you some of the finished product.